Tan Yen Ni, a social activist in the leprosy community, was invited to join the Sungai Buloh Hospital PPE support group last month. The group raises funds and mobilizes small garment factories to produce PPEs for the hospital. So far, they've managed to provide more than 13,000 PPEs and some PVC bed linens for the hospital to date.
Started to help them to source for the material and try to contact some fabric factories to get the quotations, and also through the donation from my friends and supporters, we managed to supply the hospital with their orders, to take their orders and supply them with the necessary PPEs.
The Health Ministry previously assured the public that there was sufficient supply of PPEs. This was especially the case because most of the 34 COVID-19 hospitals in the country have formed their own PPE support groups since last month to source for additional PPEs, with stories of fundraising and volunteering making headlines. One of those still raising funds for the cause is Yen Ni. According to her, the PPEs supplied by MOH are not always consistent with the demand, and often there is a mismatch between what's given and what's needed by the medical frontliners. The support group is there to fill that gap. In Johor, Kluang MP Wong Suki has also been raising funds and mobilizing private factories in a constituency to provide PPEs for the Kluang General Hospital for the past month. She says there is an absence of a cohesive government strategy in securing PPEs for the frontliners.
It is quite understandable when we first went into MCO, Movement Control Order, that everyone is in chaotic mode. But now we are going to 5th week. It is quite sad that some of our hospitals have yet to receive the PPE from central government. And also they are still relying on private sector support or sponsor on PPE and other things.
Wong also revealed that several SMEs that she had approached for donations really wanted to help, but they simply couldn't afford doing so anymore.
This system is going to collapse very soon because with the economic downturn, everyone just stayed at home. The look at the GDP and look at the economic performance, we know it is going to be very bad. And we are still asking people to donate. How long we can survive?
Vivian Yap reporting for KiniTV.